Okay, so in essence, your repeated measures effects is going to give us some information about each of the independent variables and then the interaction of those independent variables. All right, so I've given you some details here in the green boxes, but in essence, if I say I'm going to examine looks, so remember we had attractive, average, and unattractive, and what this number is telling us here is that there was a significant difference in the ratings on whether the person was attractive, average, or unattractive. All right, your looks and your strategy looks at the interaction between the looks of the person and the strategy, and that strategy being hard to get or normal. All right, and it tells us that the ratings across the different dates, so hard to get and normal, and their looks, there was a significant interaction there. This one here is looking at charisma, so there was a significant difference in the ratings of the person given their charisma, and there was also a significant difference in their rating of charisma given the type of strategy, hard to get or not. And then we come down here and we look at the interaction of looks and charisma. All right, so was there a significant difference in ratings? And there was. And then we look at looks and charisma and strategy. So does the looks, does the charisma, and the strategy combined have an effect on the ratings? And we find that it is. And I will elaborate a little bit more on these, each one individually, on the next few slides.